Hey guys, what's going on? And today I'm going to show you on how to puff paint your costume. So stay tuned. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, it's you, it's we, it's versus Spidey, and today I'm going to teach you on how to puff paint your costume. And before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe below and click that notification bell so that you will be notified if I post new videos. And without a further ado, let's go and check out all the materials we needed on this project. Let's go.
So these are the materials we are going to need. Tulip Slick fabric paint. It is a dimensional fabric paint. And this little guy is the bottle applicator or the glue applicator. I will put down the link on my description below so that you will know where to find them. So let's go. So before you paint your costume, you need to get an example. So example, we are going to pick this one. So the next step is to open your tulip, your fabric paint. The tip of this bottle, you should put it here. This is just for the 37 ml fabric paint, and then you put it on top. Now, before you put it on your fabric paint, you need to shake it. Yeah, shake, sorry. You need to shake it because you don't want air bubbles on your suit that could damage your costume. And then, okay, when you start puppy painting your suit, the crucial part of this step is the time. You need a time management because it will be a long process. So you need patience. Okay, you just have to squeeze like this. You squeeze the puff paint like that. That's an air bubble. Yeah. So you still need to shake, and then you put gently on the tip, just like that. Wait, let me get a closer, a better view. Like that, gently. You don't need to put it so close. Just like that. Yeah. Yep. And yep, that is just an example. There you go, guys. You need to wait up to 3 to 4 hours before it dries so that it will stick on your costume. You don't need to put on your costume minimum of 2 to 3 because it will damage your suit. Okay, move on to the next step. Let's go. So let's say you are starting to puff paint your costume and you want to finish everything. You need to be precise. You need to be perfect on this one. You don't have to put errors in your costume or else damage again. So let's start. But first, you have to shake to prevent air bubbles. So let's go. Okay. Gently and slowly. Time is important here. I started my puff painting project 3 weeks now, and it's a pain in the butt. But small process, I mean small progress is okay than no progress, right?
You need to start at the sides, and then you continue here, and then go to the middle part, so that you know where the end meets the beginning. just right there. Bad weather. Not getting well. Runny nose. Good job. Whenever I see girls and boys. Again, shake, shake, shake. Oh, shake, 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 shake.
So that is an example. And now I will show you other type of puff painting parts so that you will know how to put them. So let's go.
That is all for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will get notified if I post new videos. Comment down below on what you want me to do next. So, That is all for today. See you guys.
Hush.